This is my fish tank. It's an aquaponics system. This is the fish tank. The water is filtered through here. This system is not really necessary. If you just have a pipe that goes up into the flower pot that pumps water up, that would be fine. So anyway, I have a pot, my pipe is right there. There's a hole in the bottom of the flower pot and it pumps the water up here. The reason why I have this cup, foil cup there, is because one, it's to keep the algae from growing, and number two is because I have red wiggler worms in here and they are awesome. This filter floss used to smell really bad, but since I added the worms, there's no smell at all, and the filter floss is white. This is white compared to what it used to be, so it's awesome. And then I have these plants. This here is peppermint. It's sparse because I gave it a trim. But anyway, I would advise, like peppermint, if you just make a cutting like this and you stick it in, and if it's touching the water, then it would be fine. It doesn't, you don't need roots, which would be great. So that way you don't introduce any other bugs to this whole system. It would be better to just plant flowers and stuff from seeds instead of digging up plants from the ground and putting them in here, which is what I did, and it's actually, it introduces other bugs into the system and you don't want that. But anyway, here is the outflow. I used a salt shaker and I drilled holes on the sides and on the bottom to fit the pipe. And that white is just some filter floss, just extra precaution. So there's the water that is flowing back down is not dirty. But yeah, this is my fish. If you noticed, my plants are all real. They're all live. I want them like that because the fish poop and the live plants use it up. So I don't have to clean out the gravel ever. Another awesome thing is the amano shrimp. I have 5 of them in here. They actually walk around and they eat extra food, and they, as you can see, he's picking things up and he's rummaging through, so it actually breaks everything up faster. And I have a bristlenose pleco down there, he's hiding. I also have a nearite snail. Let's see if we can zoom in. He's great, but he's not as necessary. If you have the amano shrimp, they do a really good job. And so yeah, that's my whole system. Hope you enjoyed it. And oh, I should mention, I have not cleaned, or I haven't changed the water in 6 months, so the water is really clear, if you can tell. And I've checked the nitrates and nitrites, and they are amazing. They're always, I've done it a few times. I do it every month or couple of weeks, and there's never a problem. Thanks for watching.